15 notable song entries muli ang i-enjoy ng bayan sa radyo, OneMusic.ph, iTunes, Spotify at iba pang music outlets. Lahat nakaka-relate sa iba't ibang hugot ng all-original love songs. Kabilang sa lineup this year ang Sana'y Tumibok Muli ni Jose Joel Mendoza, interpreted by Clarice Guzman. At patay na si Uto ni Oliver Narad na inawit ni Joy Volante. Ang kwento sa likod ng mga nasabing awitin at iba pang mga revelasyon mula kina Clarice at Nyoy. Eksklusibo!
Hello, Ninong Boy.
I want to say hello, Bobby Garcia. I was just talking about common friend namin ni Nyoy, the brilliant theater director, Bobby Garcia. Di ba?
Yes.
Mamimiss ko yan kasi na matagal. Okay, so, how are you?
I'm good. I'm very
I just saw
happy.
Nikki.
Yes, he's here. I'm just very happy about siguro the past 3 weeks talaga medyo floating pa ako dun sa bagong kasay na
How has it changed in the last 3 weeks?
You know, akala ko wala nang magbabago kasi, you know, lifestyle at saka yung palagi ko naman siya kasama. So, feeling ko wala nang magbabago. Meron pala, you feel something inside.
What is it? Kasi sinabi ni Markian kanina, our head writer, na parang after iba pa rin yung pagkatapos ng kasal.
Iba. Akala ko kasi, sa lifestyle magbabago or yung relation nyo with each other, sa sitwasyon, hindi eh. It's something that you feel. The minute na pagkagising mo, tapos makikita mo siya. Iba. Oy, asawa ko.
Oh, okay.
No,
I mean, you have to be, sabi ko nga, to know what it is. But since I can't, you know, in this particular situation, I enjoy listening because it's a story of love. Di ba? Yung, alam mo, it's narrated in a way na sobrang puno ng joy. Are you looking forward to getting married? Anytime soon?
Anytime soon.
Pwede ba po? You have a boyfriend?
Single po.
Single. But you've had a boyfriend?
Series po wala po talaga.
Talaga? No, what I wanted to know kasi, at i-relate natin sa iyong awitin. When you get into a relationship, Clarice, you think about marriage? Is this long-term?
Of course, yun po talagang good. Parang sana long-term na. Parang may boyfriend ka lang siguro. Mapapangasawa mo.
Let's go to your song, di ba? Sana'y Tumibok Muli. So how are you able to relate to a song like Sana'y Tumibok Muli?
Siyempre, personally, hindi po ako na-experience yung manhid at iniwan. But yung composer ko si Sir Joel Mendoza, talagang kinento niya sa akin yung story ng song. So nung nag-recording kami, nasa isip kung ini-imagine ko siya talaga.
Joel had a conversation with one of us and he said that it's very intense. I mean,
yes.
your interpretation is very intense. Pero I want to go to your point na since hindi ko pa nararanasan ang ganito, you had to depend on the coaching, the guidance of your composer. But paano yun? Paano pinagkakaintindihan kung anong intense, ano ang hindi, ano ang level ng intensity na yun?
Ayun po, dinigay niya sa akin yung kada verses po, kada verse dinigay niya sa akin gano'ng pabigat yung verse nito. Yung recording ko namin actually nag-sign language, inaano niya mga kami mo nakikita ko siya na recording. Pag nag-spread na yung hands niya, inaano ko na iba na talaga yun.
Is it his story?
Yes po.
The song? Pwede ba? I mean, can we at least listen to a line or two, for example?
Yes.
Because I wanna, what is intense to Clarice is different to what is intense to Joel. How do you marry that?
Actually, yung sinasabi niya po kasi intense. Andun po yung talagang bigat. Bigat po talaga yun.
Pero saan ka humuhugot ng bigat? Sorry, Clarice, saan ka humuhugot ng bigat na yun? Hindi mo pa nararanasan.
Ini-imagine ko po talaga yung parang yung mga, may sarili akong story sa utak ko.
Okay.
And then,
Base sa mga napanood mo, narinig mo mga kwento.
Actually, mga friends ko po naman kasi open din sa akin. Na-experiencing po nila yung same story nila. And yun, talaga binivisualize ko sa recording. So, naka-closed eyes po. And yun, parang effective po talaga siya.
And you also realize that you are singing the story of someone.
Yes.
Ikaw ang nagbibigay buhay.
Yes.
Just a few lines.
Yes.
And I want to understand the intensity of this song.
Tumigil ang tibok sinaktan mo ako ng labis-labis. Ngayon'y wala naman ibig na laan sa'yo. Sana
Gutted siguro, no? Kahit ano pa ang gawin. Okay.
para bang iniwan mo ako, ngayon huyo ka sa akin.
Right. That's sobrang sakit.
Yes, sobrang sakit
Gagalingan.
naman, kid, para bang, andun yung question ko kung titibok ka bang muli.
Okay. Do you relate? I mean, has that happened?
Well, yes.
Ang hirap, no?
Of course, mahirap ka.
No, but you know what I'm trying to say here, Nyoy, is it ever possible with someone not to be capable of loving anymore?
Alam mo, Ninong Boy, marami akong kilala.
May
Marami akong kilalang ganun. And, you know, it's so sad seeing that. And parang, until you meet them, hindi ka maniniwala. Pero pag nakita mo sila, alam mo na parang sa loob nila, parang wala na talaga. Oh, pero I'm sure, when siguro, some godly reason may makilala sila.
It can change.
Oo.
Ako naman ang pananaw ko, parang episodic. Akala ko, nangyayari ito, and then it passes. But now I'm starting to realize, tama ka, na may mga tao talaga na sobrang nasaktan na, ayun ko na. And we totally respect that. Let's go to your song. Patay na si Uto.
Yes.
Tell me the story of the song.
This is simple it's a very real situation pero presented in a very light manner. Ano siya parang alam mo hindi mo na ako maluloko ngayon. Parang gano'n. Naloko mo na ako dati. No more na.
Okay. So you're talking to one person.
Yes.
Hindi ka nag-goodbye.
Hindi po.
Hindi ka nag-goodbye. Ang sinasabi mo lang na kung nauto mo ako dati, hindi na.
It's a parang metaphor na parang patay na siya to, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na ako mahugot.
Sa transformation naman talaga ng tao, sa pagbabago ng tao, meron naman talagang namamatay na bahagi, di ba, ng ating pananaw, ng ating perspektibo, iba-iba, di ba? How much collaboration did you do with Oliver, the composer?
Yes, Oliver Naran. At first kasi, pagdating ko doon, sabi niya, we were introduced, sabi niya, ako yung nagsulat ng song. Sabi, hey, hello, very nice to meet you. Game, let's work on it. Pero nung una, medyo feeling ko nahiya siya or na-intimidate siya. So, I was singing it, and then sabi namin, wait, you can tell me what to do. This is
your song.
Kanta mo to. Ako, taga-interpret lang ako. I mean, I'm a songwriter, alam ko how it feels kapag merong hindi nangyayari dun sa kantang sinulat ko.
Paano siya nag-respond doon?
Siyempre, medyo nahihiya pa rin siya, pero he was trying to pinpoint things na mas gusto niya ganito, yung tono, parang gano'n.
Is this his story? Well, somehow, I'm sure he wrote
Yes.
it.
I think this is all our story. At one point in our life.
Pinagdaanan natin lahat ito. No, kanina,
realize
yun yung pinupuntos ko kanina kay Clarice, na halimbawa, you're a songwriter, and then somebody interprets your song, somebody sings your song. How much say do you have? Because your story may be my story, but I have a different way of expressing.
Based on my experience as a songwriter na nagsusulat for other artists.
Singers, yes.
Kapag ganun yung sitwasyon, lalo na pag sa album nila, pag binigay mo yun, sa kanila na yun.
Okay.
Kumbaga,
I get it.
ito yung hiningi nila sa akin, and then sasabihin ko sa kanila, sige, this is how it should be done, pero pag may gusto kang gawin mo.
Oo.
I actually
Yes.
wrote a song for her.
Okay. Pero I understand it now, na pag binigay mo halimbawa isang awit sa isang singer, kasi syempre yung tool niya yung karanasan niya, doon siya huhugot. Of course, isasama yan doon sa konteksto ng pagkasulat ng kanta.
Yes, and you have to know your place then. Kasi dito sa sitwasyon na ito, siya yung singer, ikaw yung songwriter. If you wanted to sing your song, di gawin mong kanta mo to. Parang gano'n. Pero in this particular situation, kanta niya to, ikaw ang nagsulat.
When there is creative tension between the singer and the composer, sinong nasusunod?
Yung record label.
Oo, maganda yun. I have no further questions. Pero, Nyoy, you're a songwriter. Do you write songs?
Yes po.
Okay. Wala ba kayong balak? I mean, did you ever try joining songwriting contests? Or pinauubayan na? Ikaw?
Ako parang gusto ko po sana one day.
Exciting,
Sana
no?
next sinigang daw ng songwriter.
Looking forward. Ikaw, Nyoy.
Ako, it's been, out of the loop lang palagi.
Ah,
Whenever nalalaman ko may PhilPop or merong ganito, himig handog, palaging, tapos na. So, ang goal ko talaga is malaman yung mga submission.
Pero you're not averse to joining, as a songwriter.
I would love
Narinig
to.
namin kanina ilang lines from the song. I mean, patay na sa ito. I mean, can we just get a sample?
Sige. Ano nga ba? Di mo na maloloko at sinira ang tiwala ko. Di mo na mapipilot ang ulo ko. Di mo na masasaktan. Di mo na masasaktan. Na. Lokohin mo ang lelang mo. Patay na si Uto.
It's a live station.
I got like very.
ibang mensahe.
Pero ang maganda po kasi doon, feeling ko ang dami nakaka-relate.
Tama ka. It's our story. Oo. Ilang beses na rin ako namin ito. Hindi, joke. May hugot. Please invite everyone to be part of Himig Handog.